Welcome back to ChainFinance, your home for advanced blockchain knowledge, simple explanations, deep concepts, and the future of Web3. Today we're talking about Bitcoin, the original blockchain, the oldest, the most secure, but also the slowest. Bitcoin processes around 7 transactions per second. Blocks confirm every 10 minutes. Fees rise during congestion. And Bitcoin was never designed for massive throughput, but the world needs more speed, more flexibility, more utility, without changing Bitcoin's core. That's why Layer 2 exists, a scaling layer on top of Bitcoin. Bitcoin Layer to South boost performance. Without modifying Bitcoin itself, they add features, add speed, add programmability, while Bitcoin remains the base layer, secure, immutable, and stable. Today we'll cover 3 major L2 South, Lightning Network, Stacks, and BitVM. Each solves a different problem. Each has a different purpose. Each pushes Bitcoin forward. Let's start with Lightning, the payment layer, the fastest Bitcoin network designed for instant transactions. Lightning uses payment channels. Users lock Bitcoin on-chain, then transact off-chain instantly. With extremely low fees, channels can route payments globally, using a network of nodes. Without needing a central authority, Lightning is perfect for payments, microtransactions, and global transfers. But Lightning is not for smart contracts or complex applications. That's where Stacks enters. Stacks is a Bitcoin Layer 2, built to add smart contracts and decentralized apps without changing Bitcoin. Stacks, blocks, settle on Bitcoin. So Bitcoin becomes the final judge, the settlement layer. Stacks brings programmability to Bitcoin. Developers can build apps, build marketplaces, build DeFi, using the Clarity language designed for security, designed for transparency. The result is a smart contract ecosystem, secured by Bitcoin, but running off-chain. The third innovation is BitVM. BitVM is brand new and extremely powerful. It allows complex computation on Bitcoin. Without changing Bitcoin consensus, think of BitVM as off-chain computation, verified on-chain using fraud proofs. Similar to optimistic rollups, but built for Bitcoin. With BitVM, Bitcoin can do more logic, more applications, more advanced systems, without forks, without upgrades, without breaking Bitcoin's design. This is a massive step forward and opens the door to new L2s, new ideas. Bitcoin is slow by design, but Layer 2 South changed the game. Lightning handles fast payments. Stacks brings smart contracts. BitVM unlocks computation. Together they scale Bitcoin, extend its capabilities, and shape its future. This is the next era of Bitcoin scaling.